Hey Leonard, you want to come check this out? This is before I've even started cleaning.
What's that?
I said this is before I've even started cleaning. You can see how much better this looks right here.
Yeah.
I haven't even rinsed anything out. This tool, I love this thing. This is the biggest difference it made in cleaning. It takes that cleaner that I just sprayed and combs it through the entire fiber.
Yeah, you can see
So
that.
it started, what it's doing is liquefying and breaking all the dirt loose. So then when I come back with the wand, it's just you're just rinsing everything out of the carpet.
Wow.
So it's able to pull that pile right back up.
Yeah, wow, that's crazy.
This is my best investment thing I ever bought.
Wow.
Something this small can make that big of a difference. It's got two brushes and they're counter rotating, so they're both spinning toward the middle. So it's both of them are pulling the fiber straight up again. That's what helps. And on nylon carpet like this, even old carpet, it brings life back to it by doing that. So I think it's going to turn out, just by seeing how this looks right now, I think it's going to look real good.
doing the actual cleaner?
This is just, what it's doing is it's pre-agitating, so it's working. What I sprayed on the carpet is technically the actual cleaner. So it's starting to break the dirt down. What this does is it combs the cleaner through the carpet and starts to break the rest of the dirt loose. And then when I come back, as soon as I'm done here, I'll restart the machine and then start extracting with the rinse and hot water, and that'll flush everything out. This basically is like liquefying it and getting it loose, ready to be extracted. Because there's no way anybody can use a scrub wand and get this much agitation on the carpet. So this does pretty much doing all the work for me mechanically. And so that way, it just makes the carpets become a lot cleaner. A lot of my clients, they noticed after I started using this, because I've only haven't had it a year, and they go, man, it looks a lot, it didn't look that good last time. I go, no, it's because of this thing. So it's getting a lot more deeper dirt out than I ever could before. And not too many guys, they won't spend the money to it. The average price of these are $15,000 to $2,000 just for this little tool.
Wow.
And so they won't spend the extra money to do it. And so that's why, like I was telling you, I have a minimum. I can't go below.
Yeah.
But you can see so far, what you're paying for. It's not, I'm not in and out. I'm taking my time. I'm going to do everything. Yeah, I mean, look at that. That's just,
I can see that.
that's night and day. And I haven't even cleaned the dirt out of it yet. It's going to look good. It's going to look good.
That's what makes the difference of getting recommendations or not.
It does. It helps tremendously. A lot of people they kind of already expect, the price they're going to pay, they're going to get good work. Because no one's going to recommend somebody that doesn't do a good job, especially nowadays. Yeah. And so. You can see the difference there.
Oh, yeah.
It's coming out good. Yeah. And then when it dries, it'll actually get even brighter as all the water 100% evaporates. So, but yeah, it's cleaning up good. That's what. Right, huh? Yeah, I'm filming as I'm cleaning. Yeah, it's the same company that makes those drones. It's the first one they made. The little head like compensates as I move, so smooth footage. Yeah, it's amazing how the small they're getting these things now. A lot of carpet clear. One guy, he bought this, and I think like 8 of us across, because I'm in a forum Facebook group with cleaners across the whole country. So we talk, and one guy bought it, and I think like 10 of us grabbed them all at once so we can get it. And that's why it's important. And when you get a new carpet, to look for a nylon fiber.
That's what I was going to ask you.
When you're ready, call me up and I'll remind you, because you don't want polyester, because polyester after 10 years will not do this. There's no restoring polyester once it's destroyed like that. Once the fire, because polyester in a bedroom, high traffic, maybe 5 years and that's gone. You can't fix the fiber like this. Nylon has a permanent memory, which is heat set when they make the fiber, and so when you clean it, it always fluffs back up and restores. But polyester will never do that. So yeah, whenever you're ready, you can give me a buzz. I've done that for a lot of clients. Just let them know what to look for, and then they go buy it and they're happy. Because the new polyesters, the only good thing about polyester is it can't be stained.
Yeah.
At all. It's the fiber physically, you can't damage it with color. So, but the bad side is it uglies out, is what we call it in the industry, fast.
Yeah.
So it has no memory, so once it gets twisted and distorted, that's it. It's done. And so we tell everybody, just pay a little bit more for the nylon, but you're gonna have it 3 times as long. So, and if you take care of it, it'll last 20, 30 years without an issue.
You're going to get more business. I'll put your name out at work.
I appreciate that. I do appreciate it. I'll give you some cards when I'm done. I just put a fresh stack in my van. So I'll give you some business cards. Yeah, this this is why people go, why do you like what you're doing? I go, a lot of stuff like this. I don't know. I guess it's instant results. You get to see how your work is when you're done, and it makes a big difference. All right. Oh, that's my fault. I forgot to redo the cards. So I got 10 seconds left. But yeah, came out great.